Oh ho ho! We got quite a bit of snow. It's been kind of fun to go playing. And hey guys, I'm Rob, and this is Little Man Cave on the Prairie. Just warming up the tracker to take her into town. But I figured I'd address something, which is the most important question, or most asked question that I get is parts. Where do I find parts for these things? And they are getting rare, they are getting expensive. You know, what used to be a $400 beater is now a $1,200, you know, something like what's in front of you right now. So here's the answer to that question. As far as, you know, the best of what I can tell you is to get yourself a parts rig. I cannot tell you how many times that this little, for those of you that have followed the channel from the beginning, this is what we used to run. And then it didn't have the very good body, so we swapped everything over. But so many things I've been able to pull off here, little things, you know, just to get stuff fixed and whatnot, you know. I do plan on gutting the rest of it this summer, going over, you know, how that's done, and making it so that I can get this tucked further back into my junkyard of things here. So here's the thing though, what if you live in an apartment, or you know, you only have so many parking spaces? You cannot have a parts vehicle. You're gonna sit there and have to go out and do all the legwork of finding the parts and then buying them, and sometimes that's like hours away and stuff like that. So here's a little trick that you can do to save yourself a bunch of time. You are going to go over to a place called Highway 83 Suzuki. You can find him on Facebook, you can find him online. He actually has a nice little YouTube channel too. He does a lot of how-tos, explains stuff. Tony over there is a great guy. I've talked to him on the phone. You know, just really great to work with. And here's the thing, if you mention that you're a subscriber of Little Man Cave on the Prairie, he's gonna treat you pretty good. So remember that name. It's he's the guy. And if you have any questions either, like you know, a lot of times I don't have the right answers, and it's just a quick little, hey Tony, what's this mean? Or what's this do? Or what's a good way of doing this? And he's, you know, he's on all the Facebook groups. He's admin on most of the good ones. And you know, like, you just say something, a question or whatever, and boom, you know, half hour later, this cat's got, you know, answers for you, and he knows his stuff. So make sure you go check him out. I'm gonna leave a little button at the end of the video here, and you can just click on it and go straight to his website. And yeah, so I gotta head into town now that my rig's all warmed up, but I just thought I'd give you guys a little idea of a place that would save you money to get parts, and you know, it's not such quite the process of trying to track stuff down. Okay guys, take her easy, have a good day.